वन जिसने मुझे पूरे सर्वर में सबसे पहले अटेंशन देना
अच्छा
शुरू
अच्छा
किया।
अच्छा लेट्स नॉट लेट्स कीप आवर ग्रीव्स फॉर लेटर, ठीक है? लेट मी स्टार्ट नाउ, व्हाट द फक।
ओके
ठीक है, सो क्या था इंट्रो, क्या था, व्हाट द फक? ठीक, एक सेकंड। तो नमस्कार लेडीज एंड ब्रोस्कीज, इट्स योर फेवरेट ई गर्ल Sabyaga Aniket here with another episode of the Brownie version podcast. What episode is this? I don't know. I don't give a fuck. ठीक है, please. Today with me I have several special guests, actually not special but guests, to be honest. ठीक है, so like meta humor हो गया, so let's just introduce these guys. So today with me I have my buddy Crackeshwar. Say hello.
What's up guys, what's up?
I have Ghost Mother, say hello.
Hi.
Okay. I have Soul, say hello.
Hey buddy.
And I have my guy Siddheshwar. Not Siddheshwar,
What
sorry.
up? What up? It's your boy.
Yeah.
Siddheshwar from the
Siddheshwar from, okay, I don't know where I was going with that.
never mind.
So guys, it's 2020, we all know कि भाई बहुत ज़्यादा like भौकाल मचा हुआ है बाहर. But the saddest thing that like broke my heart, like broke me to inches, वो वाला scene हो गया, like fucking Bhim, that motherfucker. ठीक है, as much as we want to shy away from that conversation as a society, it's like fucking, we always thought that girls were gold diggers, man. Like this is actually, yeah. So do you guys have any opinions on that?
Bro, to be very honest, Chutki fed Bhim enough laddus for him
Yeah,
to be loyal to Tuntun Mosi and Chutki in general. But like,
इतना लड्डू का टेंशन देगी तो होगा ही.
Wow,
Okay,
so you are victim shaming here, not gonna lie. Typical male.
I think Beam just did it for the cloud.
It's always for the cloud, just saying.
Oh,
Yeah, man.
it's
And
always for the cloud. Yeah.
I think I think one of our friends only made this very good point ना कि भाई वो तो मौसी बोलता है टुनटुन को. So it's like is Bhim fucking Muslim है क्या, उसके पास कागज है? That's the bigger
या
question.
या फिर वो अपना रिश्ता बचा रहा है. He's like very
आगे पता चलेगा एनआरसी की लिस्ट के आने पे.
NRC की लिस्ट आने पता चलेगा.
Oh
उनके
shit.
राज्य का क्या नाम था?
Fuck राज
ढोलकपुर?
भाई. That अच्छा राज.
Why do you remember this?
I don't know. Shit,
Okay.
expose नहीं करने का. I used to watch
पर्सनल
that,
ट्रॉमा बचपन का अपने पास रखें प्लीज.
right? Okay.
ठीक है, दिस इज अ फकिंग पॉडकास्ट, नॉट योर थेरेपी सेशन. एवरीबॉडी लिसन टू मी.
Nice.
ठीक है, so yeah man, and that's what we are going to talk about today, man. Not Bhim, just the toxicity. And we see toxic people every day. We are internet we are on the internet every day and we see toxic people. So where most commonly, where do you see toxicity over the internet? Like in what
Definitely
fields?
social media. That's one thing. Definitely. I guess gaming community is sort of influenced by that, and what else? If you guys want to add something, that's the two things that I can think of.
आओ कभी CS:GO खेलने.
Oh, of course. Yeah.
आयो
It's
पधारो
like,
हमारे देश.
whenever a community gets bigger, for example, if you talk about the gaming community that expanded in India, jo abhi like recently, so when something like that happens, all types of people enter the fucking community.
True.
So when everyone's trying to be nice, everyone wants to grow and stuff like that, there's going to be all types of people who are going to talk about all types of stuff in the community. तो फिर वो जहाँ पे एक छोटी सी toxicity, like one guy who has got some influence says something toxic or like influences people in a way जहाँ पे toxicity थोड़ी सी promote होती है. तो जो और बंदे हैं वैसे उनको लगता है I think this is okay, like they think that's okay. And then वो करते वो सबके लिए इतनी normalize हो जाती है कि that it like takes this huge fucking, what do you call it?
Like it just
I don't know
becomes
what
a
to call
big
it.
blob of fucking toxic assholes who
Yeah,
think
because
like
they
it's,
think it's okay.
हाँ, they think it's okay to be this way क्योंकि भाई सभी है ना.
Exactly.
Exactly. It basically gets normalized to the point everyone thinks it's okay to say things like that or whatever. Yeah.
But
गोल्डन जेन वालों के साथ स्मर्फ खेलते गालियां देने पड़ जाते हैं अपने आप अचानक।
oh my god, Smurfers are the fucking worst. ठीक है ना? Like they deserve it, भाई. Not gonna lie.
Smurf lobby is the kind of lobby जब तुम ना ऐसे 12-0 से हरा रहे हो सामने वाली टीम को and you're like fucking what the fuck are these noobs doing and then you lose 16-12 and it's like okay
Okay, man.
that was a bamboozle event.
ये
I mean,
unranked में
if
इतना
we're,
अच्छा
if we're
कैसे?
really gonna talk about toxicity, it's like old Call of Duty, like you know, gamers. I mean, I think that's the most toxic thing
Yeah,
ever. If you
obviously.
ever were in those games. Oh my
How
god.
all Call of Duty lobbies जो होती थी.
Oh my
There's
god.
this meme going on na the 12-year-old white kid in every Xbox Live lobby.
Yeah.
Shit like that. Yeah.
Yeah, apparently he's fucked. Like he's fucked my mom all the time. Like wow, I didn't
Wow,
even know that.
man. I thought बेड की आवाज तो okay भाई ठीक है. I'm not gonna go there.
Okay.
I like how Sid is very quiet, man. Sid.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
it's just observing.
And
Sid
he's
is,
gonna
Yeah.
come up with the joke again. You know,
Yeah.
I don't want to say it.
yeah.
I don't want to make the joke right now because if this thing goes big, I don't want that to hurt my reputation.
Nice.
Not
Sid को
like
mutual
I
fund
had much of
बेचना
a
है.
reputation to
What
begin
did-
with, but all right.
What did Crack say? He had some points. Ghost, oh, she was nice. He had some points. Aniket Soul, they were really nice. What did Sid do? He said Jet the Mukabla. And that's basically it. That's what he said. That's what
That's
he said.
basically
Twitter
cancel
पे trending हो
material.
रहा है cancel said.
Yeah.
Yeah.
जब
Nice, yeah.
Okay, but let's not stray away from the topic.
yes, sorry. That's
yeah.
attention span
Yeah.
छोटा है मेरा. Sorry.
No, that's okay. That's like the case with everyone here. But yeah, no, I think when it comes to gaming community, I do think like there's sometimes people like exaggerate it to the point it's kind of just bullshit. That I think there is some toxicity in the gaming community that I think a lot of people don't want to address, because I think gaming is, especially in India, is because gaming became so big in India. Like right now, nobody wants to kind of how to explain it. Nobody wants to address these things because like once people start addressing these issues, it's gonna hurt the community by quite a bit. So, and it is a serious thing, to be honest.
Yeah, man.
It's a good thing that the community is rising, but there is positive things and negative as well. And
Yeah.
to see that it is going into the negative direction is very scary.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, man.
And
Like,
abhi the thing is that stuff like PC gaming is very irrelevant in India, I would say,
Yeah.
because it's a niche, because people
Yeah.
don't want to invest that kind of money.
Of course. I mean, I think the biggest example is just PUBG. It's like so big right now in
Yes, like,
India.
Mobile gaming is not real gaming.
Oh shit! Controversial statement right there.
ठीक है,
Sid,
ठीक है.
अभी reputation. अभी
एक
reputation.
second. एक second.
Reputation थी नहीं खोने के लिए.
Patriarchal jokes were fine with me, but saying this is too much. ठीक है ना भाई? I don't want 14-year-olds writing carry तेरा बाप
काट देना
है.
ये part.
I don't want
कौन है
14-year-olds.
अनिकेत? Yes, अनिकेत.
अरे नहीं, मैं नहीं भाई. मैं तो भाई मैं हिटलर हूँ. ठीक है.
Nice, yeah.
मैं जेनोसाइड जोक मारने के लिए तैयार हूँ, बट प्लीज डोंट कॉल आउट एनीबॉडी फ्रॉम PUBG कम्युनिटी भाई.
For legal reasons, that's a joke.
For
That's a
Yeah.
joke. That's a joke.
Yeah, that's a joke.
ठीक है.
Like the first, like the initial bop that PUBG got, like PUBG streaming or PUBG gaming got in India was because everybody was playing it. And because like you like to see people play games that you yourself play. Like that's the thing. And when all of India, who was not like Indian teens who have not seen streaming as big as it is now, उन्होंने किसी को stream करते हुए नहीं देखा, किसी का game नहीं, मतलब streaming उनको पता ही नहीं था क्या होता है. And then they see people playing the game that they play for 4 or 5 hours a day or whatever. And then that's how they got the first bob, because PUBG was relatable. It was like, yes, I also play that. That happens to me as well. I think I want to watch this. That's how streaming got introduced in India. And then a huge chunk of people were like, mobile gaming tak bhi theek hai. Like people called out Dynamo and stuff because
बड़ा हो गया ना वो.
एमुलेटर पे खेलते थे ना वो सब. हाँ, मतलब भाई मोबाइल गेम्स को एमुलेटर पे. And then they claimed like I'm the fucking head
बेस्ट
of
हूँ मैं तो.
the gaming
पट
culture.
से हेडशॉट मार
Face of
देता
the
हूँ.
gaming community.
पट
Yeah,
से
that's not
हेडशॉट.
true. Yeah.
So people, they called out people for that, and then अभी इधर वो कॉल आउट कर रहे हैं, बहुत ही अच्छी बात है कि वो कॉल आउट कर रहे हैं इस चीज को, बट देन फिर वहां से भी इतना टॉक्सिक हो जाता है. पीपल आर लाइक whoever plays like I just want to watch PC players. I just want to see people who play PC games on the stream. Mobile gamers, they start hating the PUBG, like hating PUBG as a game and the community as a whole. Like वो उनकी hate फिर वैसे transfer हो जाती है. Just like toxicity from both the fucking sides.
True, man.
Can I also address this one thing, that how much people are addicted to PUBG? Like, काफी YouTube creators, they cannot even try any new games because the audience is so used to just playing PUBG, and it also kind
Views
of
गिर जाते हैं ना.
भाई
exactly.
Views नहीं आते.
व्यूज नहीं आते,
Exactly.
लाइक लॉक इनटू दैट गेम. क्योंकि एक सीमन है, अगर वो गेम चेंज करी तो व्यूज एकदम मान लो 50% गिर जाएगी.
Yeah.
It's like
50%.
दुनिया कहाँ आगे निकल गई, इंडिया में अभी भी PUBG ही चल रहा है.
But then
Kinda
one good thing about this streaming is that people got introduced to streaming as a career option
Yes.
as well.
Yeah,
Yes,
of course,
that's
that did
actually
help a
nice.
lot. Yep.
भाई बट द थिंग इज कि पीपल हु से ना कि भाई डायनामो ने तो ये कर दिया, डायनामो ने तो वो कर दिया, बट दोज मदरफकर्स वोंट पे अ गाय 40 रुपीज़ फॉर अ शाउट आउट जो कि 20 बंदों को पबजी पीसी स्ट्रीम कर रहा है. देर वॉज दिस गाय, या ना, देर वॉज दिस गाय लूनेटिक. आई नाउ डोनेट टू मेनी स्ट्रीमर्स, मैं ज्वाइन भी करता हूँ, आई बाय मेम्बरशिप्स टू स्ट्रीमर्स. तो ही वॉज लाइक, मेरे कोई भी चैट में आके बोला ना कि भाई डायनामो गंदा है ये वो, सालो तुम पैसे लाइक तुम सपोर्ट तुम नहीं करोगे, ठीक है. उसके बाद भाई लाइक आफ्टर अ पॉइंट ना हर बंदा ये सोचता है कि माई टाइम इज़ ऑल्सो वर्थ समथिंग,
Yep.
राइट. एंड जब उसको कोई उसमें ग्रोथ नहीं देखेगी, सो आई डोंट थिंक कोई भी इतना ज़्यादा पैशनेट है एज टू ग्रो ऑन यूट्यूब कि नहीं भाई मैं तो लाइक 20 वॉचिंग में ही खुश हूँ. आई डोंट थिंक that is sustainable also for more than like an year, right?
Yeah.
Like 5 घंटे stream करना is not
it's
easy.
honestly so funny to see how these new streamers get these donations. Every second donation is like भैया shout out दे दो, भैया shout out.
Yeah.
भैया.
It's lost its meaning now.
भैया 40 रुपए लेके मेरे
And
दोस्त
the
टेडी को
streamer ने
गाली
बोल
दे
दिया,
दो ना.
so everybody in the audience is gonna check out their
हाँ,
channel or whatever.
कंटेंट है कि नहीं, शाउट आउट मिल जाना चाहिए बस.
बस. अरे भाई मैंने सिड को गाली कितनी बार तो मैंने बोला कैरी मेनाटी को कि भाई सिड को गाली दे दे, बोल दे सिड चूतिया है. नॉट गोना
देता ही
लाई.
नहीं
यार नहीं अनिकेत खुद बोल सकते हैं, लेकिन कैरी भैया बोलेंगे तो कूल
कैरी,
लगेगा.
अरे
हाँ वही
भाई ना ऐसे यार फीलिंग प्राउड वाली फीलिंग आती है भाई. ओके
फीलिंग प्राउड वाली फीलिंग आती है. ओके,
Okay,
that's
yeah.
English.
ठीक है ठीक है
But
ठीक
no,
है.
but coming back to the toxicity, there's also like social media. I think that's the biggest source of any sort of toxicity. I mean,
There's toxicity on everything and anything you can think of that is on social media. Like,
Of course,
you can think of the
exactly.
most wholesome thing or something that cannot create controversy
I mean-
to any extent is gonna have some kind of toxicity going around in the post fucking comment section or another page talking about it and shit like that.
Yeah, exactly. And it's like as soon as you're like connected to the internet, toxicity.
It's
you're gonna
genuinely so hard to
Yeah.
form a fucking opinion when you're on social media.
exactly. So
It's fucked up.
yeah, and it's like whatever the general trend is, and if you go against it, if you have an opinion against it, chances are you're gonna get cancelled. You're gonna get called out for like having an opinion. Abhi like opinion hona matlab it's just bad. And if you have opinion against like the general trend, you're like gone. You're fucked. Like,
Sahi
consider
mein.
yourself dead. That's the condition of like
Yeah,
social media or internet in general.
Legit Simon का एक comment देखा था मैंने. I don't know if it's still there or not. I was like, भाई काफी टाइम से तुझे देख रहा था, but तू भी गलत निकला या तू भी कैरी भाई को सपोर्ट नहीं कर रहा, unsubscribe.
तू भी क्या
Shit like that.
भाई
कैरी तेरा
Carry
बाप
के
है,
fans,
सुन
number
रहा है?
one.
ओए हेलो, शट द फक अप एवरीबॉडी. कैरी हम सबका बाप
कैरी
है,
हमारा
ठीक है
बाप
ना?
है.
Carry हमारा बाबा.
ठीक है ठीक है.
भाई
लाइक मोदी जी ने, मैंने कहा ना, मोदी जी इज फैमिली प्लानिंग एक्शन इसीलिए लेकर आ रहे हैं ताकि लाइक वो रोक सके कैरी भैया को कि भैया तूने बच्चे करके छोड़ दिया
Carries too
अपने
powerful.
But the problem with his audience and things like that as well is even if Carrie decides to let go of the situation, his fans.
I think to some extent it's like even Carrie is kind of bound to that because Carrie अगर change भी करना चाहेगा तो नहीं कर सकता. And I'm pretty sure उसके दिमाग में ख्याल आया होगा कि he would want to change his content. Like कब तक तुम खुद like एक ही तरह का content बनाओगे, yeah? And it's like he must have like grown out of that phase, and I'm definitely sure he would have wanted to do it, but like due to his toxic fan base, it's really impossible to do it, you know. And especially after what happened recently.
अरे कैरी भैया आप गाली नहीं दे रहे, यू मस्ट बी अ पुसी भाई, बट कैरी भैया आप गाली दे रहे हो देन यू आर होमोफोबिक.
दिया कूल दिख गए हम बस वही
Then
बात.
अगर you say something ना then you're homophobic, तब तुम like everybody wants to cancel you, but अगर तुम कुछ नहीं कहोगे then you are a pussy भाई. Like I understand उसने किस situation किस mentality से वो like fucking third class video बनाया होगा, but the thing is कि तुम उसको blame नहीं कर सकते. I will never blame that guy for that. है ना?
I mean, whatever happened, it's like it's a very difficult situation to be on. I mean, YouTube is a very like it's a private company.
To
They
be very
can-
honest, when Carrie actually put out the video, it was like उस वीडियो आने के बाद तक ना like थोड़ा टाइम बाद तक भी it was not this bad. But जब वो उसकी जो ऑडियंस है उसने काम करना शुरू कर दिया ना in the comment
You
section
mean the
on
people who
Google
don't do
Play,
work at all?
on फिर that just got downhill from there. That was like
अरे
Yeah, that's
हाँ
the
भाई
thing.
हाँ भाई दूध पी लिया, चलो जस्टिस दिलाने का.
justice for Carrie.
अरे एक सेकंड
I get it, ना.
तूने टिकटॉक वाले को छक्का नहीं बोला, तू मर्द ही नहीं है भाई, ऐसे थोड़ी चलता है.
अरे I was actually discussing about it. पता है नहीं कि I actually was talking to Ghost and Sid as well about this. कि अगर तू मुझे बोलेगा ना कि you're against TikTok, and then you say why, I'm gonna ask why you against TikTok, and if you're gonna say that I'm against TikTok because उनकी जो एक algorithm थी पहले उसमें वो लोग अगली लोगों को या disabled लोगों की videos को नीचे रखते थे, like उनकी videos ऊपर नहीं आती थी. There's
हाँ,
sexist
I
content
see.
on there.
I-
There's manipulative content up on there. There's like fucked up content with kids, and like कुछ fucked up content upload भी हो जाता है तो जल्दी से down नहीं होता on TikTok. I would be standing with you saying fuck TikTok, but fuck TikTok just because क्या एक छक्के content बना रहे हैं. What the
अरे.
like that's not.
I'll tell you why I support TikTok.
See, the thing
हाँ.
is just because you hate on something doesn't mean it should get banned.
वही
Yeah, exactly.
Some people enjoy making content on the platform. Let them. Who the fuck are you
अरे,
to say
वही
It's
ना.
all about
ban करना
preference,
चाहिए?
right? It's all about preference. It's like if that makes you happy, let them do. It's not harming anyone, right? It's not harming anyone in particular. Like so
Half-
let people do what they want. It's not like YouTube is any better than this.
Yeah,
Yeah,
YouTube was
YouTube-
like YouTube पे भी बहुत घटिया.
Yeah, exactly.
Hacked
content
webcam
होता
का
है, but
videos है
nobody's like-
पूरा. What the fuck are we talking about भाई?
Exactly, but nobody's like क्या YouTube क्या घटिया है ब्रो. जैसे अभी TikTok को बोल रहे हैं ना कि यार अगर कोई क्रिएटर है जो कि बहुत ही फक्ड अप वीडियोस बना रहा है तो उस क्रिएटर को बोलो ना कि भाई व्हाट आर यू डूइंग, गेट योर माइंड राइट. दिस
भाई मारी थी ना जे स्टेशन की सबने मिलके भाई, लाइक पूरी
हाँ.
कम्युनिटी ने.
लेकिन अब टिकटॉक पे फॉर एग्जांपल फैजू भाई की सिर्फ फैजू भाई की क्यों नहीं मार रहा है कोई.
Who the
तो
fuck
फैजू
is
भाई के नाम
फैजू
पे पूरे
भाई?
टिकटॉक को गाली क्यों दे रहा है बंदा.
I
I
mean, let's
don't-
talk about Onision. He's still on YouTube. Like
हाँ,
that
Onision.
dude is fucked in the. I mean, he's done some crazy shit over there. Like he is one of them.
Probably crazier than these Faizu and Amir Siddiqui and shit भाई. Like they have actually भाई उस पे तो like child molestation allegations भी लगे थे ना Onision पे तो.
हाँ, exactly. Child
Right.
grooming and stuff like that.
हाँ
Yeah.
हाँ हाँ.
He
Getting
wrote, like-
underage photos as well.
Yeah, I think he wrote a
Sid?
book with some underage stuff. I don't know. I don't remember.
अच्छा I
But yeah,
thought
it's
Sid
something
is saying
about
I also received some underage photos as well. I was like भाई ये क्या हो
Oh,
गया?
okay. ये record हो रहा है ना?
Yes. Sid
Cancel movement,
हाँ,
हाँ?
Future
एडिटर काट देना.
फ्यूचर सेट का HR हाँ सर वीडियो है सर
तो
एक मेरे
anonymous moment हो गया.
ओके भाई
ये
लाइक
जब वो हो रहा है भाई ट्विटर का जब वो हो रहा है
नाइस भाई
अभी
So
cancel moment होने
getting
वाला है.
back to TikTok, there is genuinely some good creators as well. But then
भाई इट्स सो गुड भाई तुमने बाहर के अगर टिकटॉक्स देखे हो इट्स लाइक द मीम्स आर सो फकिंग एपिक भाई
Yeah,
इट्स सॉलिड
exactly.
गोल्ड कंटेंट
And like, I personally don't like TikTok. I don't prefer it, but even I have to
Same.
say this that some TikToks are actually pretty good. It's like sort of like a shameful thing for me, but
Yeah.
still.
इट्स लाइक वाइन दो ना
हाँ, exactly.
मतलब
It's like
टिकटॉक तो बस एक प्लेटफॉर्म है जो आपको शॉर्ट वीडियोस बनाने का मौका देता है, लाइक प्लेटफॉर्म देता है. दैट्स इट, दैट इज ऑल व्हाट अ टिकटॉक इज. आप
It's a
उस
way
पे
to
क्या
express
बना रहे हो?
yourself.
And
Yes.
to be fair, I'm just like to be fair, comparing
व्हाट द फक
What just happened? Like एक सेकंड. ये वॉर्प कैसे हो गई?
कोई नहीं शी इज बैक गाइस ये औरत का ओपिनियन लेना है क्या हमको ओह यस
I
घोस्ट यू
don't
वर
think
सेइंग
we should.
समथिंग
हाँ, मेरे को भी
घोस्ट
नहीं
यू वर सेइंग समथिंग
Okay, I just got disconnected for a second for some reason.
लेट्स जस्ट नॉट से कि मैं पेट्रियार्कल और बहुत ही ज्यादा सेक्सिस्ट हूँ मिसोजिनी के चार्जेस मेरे पे हैं पहले से ही बट
No, as I was saying, like comparing TikTok to YouTube is like pretty like it's not fair to be honest because TikTok falls under a whole different category, whereas YouTube is like another thing, and like especially just because of the fact that making a YouTube video takes a lot of effort. I'm not saying like oh abhi मेरे को cancel करेंगे बोलने के लिए, but like making a YouTube video takes a lot of effort. It goes like hours and hours of editing, then recording, and then finally coming up with something that you can present to the audience. TikTok, I guess it is pretty creative when it comes down to it, but like still it's not, you don't exactly have to put that much effort than a YouTube video, you know? Like it is kind of given.
See.
As much as people wouldn't want to accept
Where it's
it.
a minus, there it's a plus for people who cannot
Yeah,
afford
exactly.
to have
Right,
that
right.
big,
Exactly,
setups and stuff,
exactly.
right?
अरे
It's like it's good for people who can't afford a whole ass computer and whatever. They have their own platform to rely on.
वही
So comparing these two is not okay in my opinion.
and when you see the happiness on some of these people's face na ki they have recreated some like favorite 90s ke Bollywood ka scene they have recreated it's like bhai you cannot hate on that
Yeah,
मैं
exactly.
I'm like a
It
YouTube kid
makes
all the
them
way
happy. What's your fucking problem
हाँ,
if
भाई.
it triggers you? If you don't
Yeah.
like it, don't watch it. It's that simple.
Yeah, exactly.
Just like Simon said it now, if they're finding if tier 3 city people, like people who do not have access to do not have access to these big fucking what do you call it setups and stuff,
हाँ.
if they're finding their niche on this platform and they're finding it easy to make videos on this and post it on the fucking platform and feel happy about it, it's really a plus, okay? It's
But भाई वही तो like nobody wants to understand that ना I think the problem where this छक्का and gay shit started from ना कि भाई some people just for attention they were acting like they are like sexually oriented उनका sexual orientation किसी और तरीके का है but I understand if the people from the LGBTQ community are LGBTQ plus I don't give a fuck भाई ठीक है ना जो भी लाइक दो जेंडर होते हैं ठीक है सुन लो अब मेरी बात अरे
Oh shit, cancelled.
ओके भाई
cancel भैया cancel
So-
बहुत
Cancel
जल्दी
कर
बता
देंगे.
रहा हूँ.
I like how he says there's only 2 genders when he has a LGBT Hitler profile picture.
ओके यार
But that इसको cut करने का है ना.
अरे you fuckers I was trying to make a point ठीक है
Alright.
ये
ठीक है so क्या था यार मैं भूल भी गया what the
LGBT.
हाँ I understand if the LGBTQ people are outraged by this कि भाई you like because I know कि भाई some people are very outraged by these South Delhi girls who write bisexual in their
Yeah,
profile and
shit.
shit है ना
Ah shit. South Delhi से नहीं हो but personal attack hours okay.
अरे नहीं but I'm saying ना like
हाँ.
some people do that and I understand कि भाई I don't want any Muslim to be saying he's अरे यार मैं क्या बोलूँ why do I digress from the fucking अरे let's हाँ we are talking about toxicity and we don't talk about politics is that क्या ये लाजमी रहेगा
Okay. I
मेहमानों?
guess somewhere it does get political as well, I guess. I mean, when it comes down to it, I guess LGBT people do have all the reasons. Because in a country like India, where like most LGBT people didn't have the rights they deserve, right? It will get them outraged. It's like you're already like you're talking about a community जो already काफी
Suppressed
समय
है,
से
yeah.
they're really oppressed. It is very given that if you make a joke about something like that, or even like say something like a slur or something like that, of course it's gonna hurt them. Like you're talking about literally people who have been suppressed for so many years. It's
But-
really not their fault, to be honest.
It's the same thing with the N word, na? Like if you don't know the history behind it, I don't think कि भाई you like
don't
every
know the way that
हाँ,
word fucking
हाँ.
Yeah.
you don't know how much power that word has for someone like a black guy whose ancestors heard that word like literally before just dying. I never say that word usually, like
But
हाँ,
here's the thing though, but I don't think there should be any sort of exceptions, because I've seen many black people who do not say the word themselves, because it is sort of like a disrespect to their ancestors for them to use that word. It is like, I think there shouldn't be any exception.
Okay,
when
you
it
guys
comes to
we
want-
have
these
those
things.
people and we have people who are really fucking chill about
Arey,
it.
you guys want
Yeah,
you guys want some information time, huh? So
हाँ.
I'll tell you the history behind this N word जो कि cool हो गया अब. So what happened is कि like जब ये गोरे लोग लेकर आते थे इन लोगों को for slaves, they picked them up besides the Niger river जो like वहाँ पर है नाइजीरिया में, and like somewhere along that way this slur originated कि demean करने के लिए. And if
अच्छा.
you see ना कि जो older black people and the third generation जो हमारे दादा and नाना की उम्र के हैं, ठीक है, they would never use this word. They are actually very offended from this word.
Exactly, that's what I'm talking about.
क्योंकि-
Like, there are people who don't use this word.
उनके माँ
It is-
बाप they died in the cotton fields, ठीक है. But then what happened is when जब ये 80s में hip hop का movement चल रहा था in the 70s and the 80s, people like Big Daddy Kane, Melly Mel and ये Rakim and shit, they came along and they were like, we are going to empower us by this word only. We are going to turn around the meaning of what this means. We are going to turn it into something positive, है ना?
Yeah.
So that's how this A wala shit like appeared. ER is
Huh.
fucking bad. Like,
Yeah, I think, I mean, I guess why they would want to use it as a word, like, you just to claim it again, but at the same time, I guess it all boils down to the personal preference. Like, some people are okay with it, some people are not, some people don't even use it themselves. So it all boils down to the individual's preference.
Like you cannot
It
just tell a
depends
black
on
guy
where you
who's
draw the
like,
line.
you just cannot tell a black guy who's okay with the N word, say कि भाई you're not supposed to be okay with it. Like you cannot just be like that.
Yeah, like
As
it's-
well as you just
yeah.
cannot tell a black guy who's offended by the word to like tell him कि
कि भाई
you're
वो
not supposed to get offended.
नॉर्मी है
Yes.
क्या तू? नॉर्मी है क्या? है काले साले नॉर्मी है क्या तू?
हाँ
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 भाई।
भाई, हाँ भाई, मैंने कान्ये वेस्ट का एल्बम सुन लिया, अभी बोल सकता हूँ क्या
अरे
N-word?
भाई नॉर्मी रे, नॉर्म मैं आइडब्स देखा रे, वो तो बोलता है, तुम उनको तो कुछ नहीं
वो
कहते
तो
रे.
फुल बोलता है,
वो तो
उसके तो दोस्त भी बोलते हैं.
अरे अपन
किंग
लोग
बैच का
भी
वीडियो देखा मैं लोगन पर.
आई हैव अ क्वेश्चन.
हाँ,
मैं थोड़ा
हाँ.
डम साउंड
कोई
करूंगा,
नहीं, कोई नहीं,
लेकिन
कोई नहीं.
अगर तूने बताया कि ये एन वर्ड को एज अ पॉजिटिव लेके जा रहे हैं,
हम्म.
तो फिर इस टाइम पे ये इसको एज अ ये बुरा क्यों बोलेंगे?
Uh,
उन्होंने बोल
ओके सो वही लाइक द हिस्ट्री उनके अपने लाइक ब्लड रिलेशन में जो उनके अभी 40 इयर्स पहले तक भी स्लेवरी थी, लाइक नॉट स्लेवरी बट अपार्थीड थी, राइट? लाइक
बहुत ज्यादा, yeah,
उनके
yeah.
I mean,
एंसेस्टर्स दे हैव,
racism and discrimination
हाँ.
was still there, yeah.
और अभी लाइक अभी चल रहा है इतना, तो लाइक यू
हाँ,
थिंक कि
हाँ.
रेसिस्ट नहीं होंगे, सो यू नेवर नो द इंटेंशन, क्योंकि अभी भी इट्स स्टिल पीपल आर रेसिस्ट ना.
हाँ,
So it's
and
not cool.
Yeah, exactly. And it's like there are people who would like deliberately use that opportunity to use the
हाँ.
word with an ill intent.
अरे,
So you can never really tell their intentions. You know,
it's
with
not
these
only
things.
black people though, like white people also have the redneck. You know how this redneck
Yeah,
word
I know, I
originated?
know.
अरे I know ginger.
जिंजर इज समथिंग एल्स
Yeah, ginger is
रेड
something else.
जिंजर तो होता है बालों के कलर पे डिपेंड होता है. रेडनेक इज बेसिकली जो लाइक लो टियर की वाइट फैमिलीज थी, दे ऑल्सो यूज टू वर्क इन द फार्म्स. सो धूप की वजह से उनके जो गर्दन था दैट यूज टू गेट टैंड रेड. That's why they are fucking called like rednecks. Zipper heads कहते हैं इनको, like Philippines and like जो East Asian लोग होते हैं, because the tanks they used to fucking go over their head. Like actually में like it's gross but I am telling you like information, so I guess चलता है इतना तो. So these words hold power man, and people who are fucking toxic think कि भाई हम तो cool हैं, या फिर हम तो like भाई बहुत ज़्यादा बेन शबीरो देख लिया 2 बार तो मैं तो भाई n word बोल दूंगा हर काले लिबरल को.
जैसे अपन like just how we're talking about the N word, if we come back to the LGBT conversation, ये जो मीठा हो गया या छक्का हो गया, ये जो words है ना, ये अपनी सोसाइटी में इतना नॉर्मलाइज हो गए जो कि बिल्कुल भी नहीं होने चाहिए.
नहीं होना चाहिए, exactly.
वो इतने नॉर्मलाइज हो गए कि अब जब the LGBT community outraging कि भाई how can you use such a slang like that to like what do you call it, to degrade somebody else, like तुम किसी और को ये स्लैंग दे रहे हो एक डिमीनिंग तरीके से, कि सामने वाले को डिमीन करते हुए तुम उसको छक्का बुला रहे हो, जबकि I am a part of that community. Like, जो तुम slang बोल रहे हो that is me, but like you demean somebody else by saying the same slang.
But normalization is not the problem. The way it is being normalized is the problem.
Yeah.
है ना? Calling someone chakka isn't the problem, ना?
Even it's a what sort of insult is chakka? इससे better भी insult होती है, like what?
नहीं.
अरे हाँ, मैं
तो gay बोलते हैं.
I don't call people काला, मैं चमार बोल देता हूँ. अरे
miss me with that gay shit, exactly.
Like, to be honest, I'm being honest here. I'm pretty like I'm all about free speech, okay? But it also matters on the, I guess, on the intentions of the person. You can't always like tell a person's intentions, you know. People will always make use of that one opportunity to be toxic, and they will, especially on the internet, because you have the choice to be anonymous. यहाँ पे कुछ बोल दिया, छक्का बोल दिया, ये बोल दिया, कोई that you don't have any sort of what do you call it? What's the word? Damn it! But uske liye, like you don't get anything for it, right? You don't get any sort of negative thing for it. So you can say whatever the hell you want. It's like tujhe koi kuch nahi kar sakta. You're on the internet. You're anonymous. Nothing is going out there if you don't want it to.
Right. Like.
So it's like. Yeah, go on, sir.
Arey, like I'm saying now, me having a LGBTQ Hitler as a profile pic is a form of satire for me, but for somebody like वो actually में Nazi है. For him it's not a joke, it's his way of life कि भाई मैं तो like Jewish people देखेंगे, कोई भी बड़ी नाक वाला देखेगा तो उसको मार दूंगा.
It's 2020 now. People will get offended over something or the other.
And am I making
no matter how little?
Yeah, true.
Am I clear in my head when I'm saying कि भाई जितने साल, थोड़े साल पहले तक, मतलब जब छक्का और मीठा नॉर्मलाइज होना शुरू हुआ होगा इन द सोसाइटी टू कॉल समबडी एल्स, उस टाइम पे बीइंग गे was also not normal for the society, for the Indian society in general.
हाँ.
इंडिया में गे होना उस टाइम पे नॉर्मल नहीं था, और इसी वजह से it got normalized in the wrong or demeaning sense of it. Because अगर अपने यहाँ पे भी LGBTQ राइट्स के बारे में तब से बात हो रही थी जितनी बात बाहर होती है, मतलब बाहर तो बहुत पहले से इससे रिलेटेड मूवमेंट चल रहे हैं, अपने यहाँ तो अब भी चलने शुरू हुए.
बात होना एंड लाइक मीनिंगफुल बात होने में ना फर्क हो जाता है देन. कि लाइक व्हाट मैटर्स इज पार्लियामेंट में जब तक बात नहीं होगी तो तुम ये 4 हम 14 बैठ के लाइक डिस्कॉर्ड पे कुछ नहीं उखाड़ सकते ना.
कुछ नहीं उखाड़ सकते.
चार बोला मैं इधर हूँ, what the fuck, just because I'm a boy, is that it?
या औरत एक सेकंड
अभी इसको कैंसिल करने का टाइम है.
कैरी की कविता चलाओगे.
एक औरत
जेंटलमैन ना, गाली नहीं दे सकता.
अरे भाई लाइक लिटरली भाई मैं तो भाई मैं किसी कभी किसी को छक्का कभी किसी को काला नहीं बोला, मैं सीधा चमार बोल देता था. ठीक है.
नाइस यार.
अरे भाई
improvise adapt overcome.
अरे भाई
that as well, but it's so fucking hypocrite for us to say that, but I should say that as well, but
No, yeah,
not
I think
in the way like.
Yeah,
Arey
I think
bhai.
it's about where you draw the line. It's like this is just my personal opinion. I think getting offended over everything is not a good thing either, you know? Some people use this sort of humor, like some people are okay with suicide jokes, some people are not. But there are people who kind of cope with things by making these sort of jokes, you know? Same goes for any other jokes. It's like when that some people are okay with using these type of jokes as a coping mechanism. So I think it also boils down to, like, you know, being offended over everything is not going to get you anywhere either. Because in being honest here, in real life you're gonna see a lot more worse things. So if you get hurt by words, then I'm sorry, you don't have much to do in, like, in the outside world when you have to have actual, like, actually face the world, you know, actual people and stuff like that. At that point, internet becomes kind of irrelevant. So you have to kind of toughen up on that part. But at the same time, it's like some people will continue to, like, I mean, talk about cyberbullying. That is also a thing. So it basically pushes people to suicide.
Said
It is also.
Sid is a cyberbully. I'm not gonna lie.
Sid is the alpha cyberbully.
Why does cyberbullying exist? Just turn off your computer.
अरे मम्मी आपने वाईफाई का कनेक्शन काट दिया, मैं बुली हो रहा था. व्हाट द फक.
Sid is the kind of guy जो I don't mind करके सामने वाले को bully कर दे.
अरे वो कोडिको के साथ करा था जेक पॉल ने. जेक पॉल वाज लाइक यू आर अ बुली, सो जेक कोडिको वाज लाइक सॉरी फॉर बुलिंग यू आई गेस. ओ भाई, it's like
sorry for bullying you the way I did. I'll do better next time.
ताकि तू बचे ही ना जिंदा. ओके, वो तो लाइक IIT एंड बीटेक हो गया. सॉरी,
ये तो बहुत ज़्यादा.
यार
ये तो कोटा मोमेंट हो गया.
कोटा मोमेंट हो गया.
I actually had a similar conversations with one of my female friends when all of this Instagram thing happened, right? Aniket, what was that?
अरे कुछ नहीं यार.
Aniket, you
फीमेल फ्रेंड्स व्हाट आर दैट
Like,
भाई.
Instagram पे जैसे ये जो बॉयज लॉकर रूम वाला सीन हुआ था, and they were talking about that shit, and one of somebody who I follow, who is in the beatbox community, shared a post that said how you should talk about females in a group, or how you should talk about females to other boys. Like वो ऐसा एक क्या बोलते हैं उसको, satirical post था. तो उसके ऊपर एक लाइन थी कि if your humor is sexist, you should get a life. This humor is not at all funny.
Yes, I saw that bhai.
Okay,
किसी ने-
yes,
fuck
exactly.
that guy
And then
जिसने
I just screenshot that and I sent this to my friend. Her name's Shipra, and she's like a best friend. So I talked to her about everything. So I screenshot that. I sent it to her, and I was like, okay, listen, hear me out. If we are talking to each other, and if I send you a really fucking sexist meme, like outright sexist, ekdam kharab, and I find it funny, and I send it to you, and you find it funny as well, are we wrong for doing that? And she said, no, because we know that we're not laughing on the sexist motive of the meme. We know where our laughter is coming from. Okay? We're laughing on the irony and not the meme itself. We know each other, and we know why it's funny for each other, and we know where we come from, where we're coming from.
Why?
So I was like, yeah, that makes sense. So that's, it's like,
Yeah, exactly.
And I mean, people who see things like this without context are like, bro, how could you send this? That is so
अरे मैं किसी को
sexist.
भेजता ही नहीं.
who
मैं
are you
बात ही
to
नहीं
tell?
करता. तुम्हारे को पता है, किसी से लिटरली मैं टेक्स्ट नहीं करता किसी को. I'm like भाई मैं कुछ कह दूंगा एंड फिर ये घर से अपनी मम्मी से नोट लिखवा के ले आएगा कि अनिकेत ने मेरे को ऐसा बोल दिया. तो उसके बाद मैं उसको और बुली करूंगा.
सही
अच्छा थोड़ी
करवा के.
लगता है फिर.
I think for me it's like I don't really give a shit.
अरे,
I talk a lot
you
of
are a
shit
fucking
on,
girl,
like,
भाई, तू कुछ भी
everywhere.
कर सकती
I'm
है,
very
like.
outspoken. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. You have no idea. When you like, okay, being a woman, if you were to talk against anything of, like, you know, about, you know, the whole feminism thing, you get targeted.
girls cannot talk about feminism in
Oh,
India,
bhai.
especially in favor of feminism. Against
हाँ.
बोलोगे ना तो सब लड़के खड़े हो जाएंगे
अरे
कि
सबसे
भाई
पहले-
ये तो मजे आ गए.
हाँ, सबसे then after the boys locker room thing happened, then the girls locker room thing came out, and this is exactly why I don't like feminism, because there is so much hypocrisy in everything. हाँ, लड़कियाँ sexualize करें
अरे,
ठीक है, लड़के करे तो गलत. हाँ,
we'll
वो
talk
सही
about
है.
ना
नहीं,
कि
नहीं,
बॉयज
नहीं.
लॉकर रूम वाला हुआ था, because it's not a fucking 2-minute conversation and it was not very like वो इतना ही नहीं था, वो 30 लड़कों तक ही सीमित नहीं था वो चीज़. So I think we are a group of people who can actually talk about it.
And the thing is, without any investigation as well, people jump to conclusions. Nobody saw things like
अरे ये
हाँ,
जो
ये
आधे
लड़की ने
लौंडे
fake
होते हैं ना
profile
जो लाइक
बनाया
कहते हैं कि
था।
भाई फेमिनिज्म तो ये है, फेमिनिज्म तो वो है, इनके आधों के बाप अपनी माँ, इनकी माँ को मारते हैं रात को चप्पलों से. मैं मजाक भी नहीं कर रहा.
Oh God, oh fuck.
I think feminism in itself
It's
has
a branding
lost
problem, bhai. I'm
right
telling
now.
you.
With the
It's a branding.
exactly. I think
Feminism ठीक है. People should vouch for equality, but
Yeah.
feminism
अरे,
today has
it's-
become
it's-
like
it's
anti-man,
branding.
man bad.
yeah,
man,
exactly.
man,
It's
exactly.
the third wave. It's the
But
third
वही
wave
ना,
feminism to be exact. It's
वही
the
ना,
third wave
poor
feminism.
execution ना.
Yeah.
That's the thing ना. That's the thing. Like feminism, theoretically, or then there's a bad way of executing.
Yeah.
So people are like some people that call themselves feminist and
Movement, हाँ.
in favor of the feminist agenda, they promote misandry and fucking what do you call it, pseudo feminism in the name of feminism.
Yeah, exactly.
And then people who are actually genuinely working
हाँ.
like for the fucking cause, वो भी उसी ग्रुप में फिर एकदम वो जनरलाइज हो जाते हैं.
Yeah, they get put into the same pot, and just the thing is that it's like what we see right now isn't even feminism, to be honest. Like,
But it's
all about
basic human nature.
superiority,
एक
not
second.
about
It's basic
equality.
human
I
nature
mean,
for you to feel like कि जो मेरी kind है that should be on top. I like वो मर्दों में भी होता है and वो like ladies में भी होता है कि you feel like your kind, भाई it's like हाँ भाई.
That's why
and I'm-
patriarchy
एक
exists in
बात
the first
बताओ.
place.
Like Ghost, if I say कि crack is a fucking masculinist, do you think तेरे दिमाग में एक बार भी आएगा कि he stands for equality? Not really, right? So जब कोई बोलता है कि
not really.
feminist, so people equate that with women and not just men and women both. So there's this term for equality, like
Yeah.
egalitarianism. मेरे को तो बोलना भी नहीं आता. ठीक है. Egalitarianism, right?
Egalitarianism, something
वही
like that.
अरे वही
वही
है,
रे,
वही
बाबा बन
जो भी
जाएगा।
होता है रे, अपन वही है. ठीक है. It's like
Yes,
वही
both
कि
are.
if you say ना कि I'm a feminist, कि इतना bad branding हो गया ना कि people don't think of you as someone who wants, like people पहले ही judge करने लग जाते हैं लोग.
Exactly, I think that's the case. But I think even like in general, it's like the mainstream feminism these days. I'm not talking about actual feminism. I'm talking about like mainstream feminism, which is what it is. It's all about basically, of course, men bad, superiority,
Bhai.
and everything else.
Why
They
do you
won't
feel like
address.
it got the mainstream tag because it fed off the people.
Yeah.
नहीं मतलब जो उनको और फीड कर रहा था, जो लोग बोलना चाहते थे ना फेमिनिज्म बैड.
Yeah.
Ben
उन-
Shapiro destroys feminist.
हाँ,
Go on.
yeah. नहीं.
And
Exactly.
Yeah, and it's like, of course, like the women who are actually working hard for the
Cause.
feminism, they don't really like they're like really suppressed because ye jo the feminists we have these, they're so loud that the people who actually are working for the cause, they get suppressed, their voices are not heard. So that's the image people usually get, and it's like
Yeah.
once you have that image in your mind, you will always associate that term with that exact behavior because you don't know anything better because that's what you see. So it's not something we can control anyway because this is something that is not covered for the most part. As much as people love to hate on feminism, I don't consider myself a feminist either because of how it is now. It is true that India, it is like very true, India needs feminism. But if you look at the West, I can definitely say like feminism is something that shouldn't be relevant in the Western country because there feminists have discovered
The
all
white
these
world
new issues,
problems है भाई वो, like I have a
mansplaining,
term for that, the
manspreading.
white world
Oh
problems.
my god.
I like how the new age feminists are like हाँ bro I'm a feminist. What did you do for
अरे।
हाँ मैंने Instagram bio में डाला मैं feminist है और मैंने लड़की लोग के लिए Instagram story डाली है. I'm a
Yeah.
feminist यार.
एक तो यार Instagram
It-
story बर्बाद कर
it's
रहा है.
about
It's all for
Okay,
it's
what
all
are
for
you
brownie
saying?
points to be on.
Yeah, exactly. And
I mean, it's nice. It's genuinely nice to see people who bring awareness about it, but other
Right,
people who just do it
but
for
in
brownie
this,
points
arey,
without
but
doing
in
any
this
research
in this
is just
shithole,
stupid. It makes the
how do you
situation
know
worse.
what is like actually awareness and what is just brownie points? Tell me.
I mean, basically, like doing something when you don't like doing something like for something for a cause, and then you don't actually mean it is basically you doing it for brownie points. Like I said, when there is a general trend, right, and if you follow it, of course,
No.
like, everyone's gonna get on that hype train.
Yeah.
Abhi, kya, you're gonna do something, for example, what was it again? Yeah. You got people who talk about, oh yeah, Black Lives Matter. The next thing you know, they say the N word. How is that not done for brownie? And bringing actual awareness is when you actually do something to change things, you know?
Like people also resort to not gathering information about the stuff that they want to talk about. They just go for the fucking points.
Yeah.
Kyunki don't you feel like if somebody is actually gathering information for a particular subject, even if that guy's point or that girl's point is very, you know what, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, थोड़ा different, like कितना भी कैसा भी हो, but it's gonna come from a point of view where it's actually more logical in a sense, or थोड़ा उस पे information है और वो informative point of view से आ रहा है, if the person
सही
actually
में,
knows about the fucking topic. Because
Aniket, you asked about brownie points and actual thing, right? So let's take an example. Abhi dekh, I put up a story about something and
Okay.
you counter me on it. I am
Okay.
able to answer whatever you counter me
Okay.
with. That is research. I've done it. And if agar brownie points का example ले ले, चल, if you counter me on something, I shy away from the situation. That means I haven't done
Arey,
anything
but
about it. I'm just doing it for the
How,
attention.
like, do you think people want, like, people, it's basic human nature कि तुम conflict नहीं चाहते किसी से. If you have put up something ना, आप मन में बोल दोगे यार इसको तो कुछ पता नहीं होगा, but you will never ask him.
Well, here's the thing then, if you don't want a conflict, then don't comment on something.
So
that
you are
don't
asking
know
people
about.
to have
Like,
common sense, Ghost.
if I don't
Controversial,
know-
very
if I
controversial,
don't know something
man.
about something, yeah, exactly. Like if I don't know something about this particular subject, the chances are that I might get cancelled for saying something shitty.
Yeah.
Why
अरे
would I
यार,
say it? Why would you say?
लॉकडाउन वाला सीन हुआ, मैंने स्टोरी नहीं डाली क्योंकि मेरे को एग्जैक्टली नहीं पता था क्या
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So, and it is also something like because we live in a time where everything is so biased, so getting the right information is very important. But you won't have that. For me personally, I don't comment on things unless I have a solid proof about it, and so I can basically get to a conclusion, right? And if you don't know about something, better not comment about it, because in the end, it's only gonna make you
But
look
people
dumb, one way
don't
or another.
understand when they're looking dumb.
And-
That's a very big problem.
Because people don't want to fucking spend their time on it. It's like we want to get on the general trend. We want to get those, like you said, brownie points without actually investing some time on that given topic. Like how will you get to a conclusion without knowing something? Oh हाँ इसने बोल दिया मतलब यही
why
सही.
would I want unwanted conflict with you if you have a point that I didn't know about that backs up your argument? That is a very valid point.
Yeah.
Exactly.
One
So it's
one
like-
aspect of it is that if I don't know about something and you tell me, I will get
अरे
educated
Sid, but
about that
Exactly.
situation.
But
Yep.
वो उधर वो भी आ जाता है ना, वो ego
but
इतना
तुम पढ़े
inflated होता है
लिखे
कुछ
हो,
का, वो
भाई,
education ही
तुम
नहीं,
पढ़े
छोड़ लो, वो
लिखे हो,
education
like
वाला
people
point ही नहीं
don't
आता है.
understand the meaning and value of being like educated by someone else. ठीक है, like भाई कित class, like let's take a very common example of your own classroom. कितने बच्चे 40 में ऐसे लगता है तुम्हारे को जो एक्चुअली में सीखना चाहते हैं कोई टीचर से? ओके
ज्ञान
यार,
दे भाई,
तुम
ज्ञान
तो
दे.
मेरे पे ही पलट दिए बात.
Basically,
आता है रे, अरे
अरे
कोचिंग
आता
में
है
कर
रे,
लूंगा
सब
ना,
मेरे को
पैसे वहाँ
coaching
ज़्यादा
में कर
दिए ना
लेगा
मैंने.
ना.
अच्छा गाइस, वी आर नाउ जस्ट रैंटिंग. एक सेकंड, लेट्स कम बैक टू द टॉपिक एंड कंक्लूड. ठीक है, इट्स बीन
let's come back. Okay. So I was just saying कि आमिर सिद्दीकी अगर
आई एम एक्चुअली फकिंग प्राउड कि हमने लाइक बात नहीं करी उस बारे में, क्योंकि भाई यलगार तो हो चुका है. ठीक है, यलगार हो चुका है and
यलगार हो गया भाई.
ये
यार
तो
तुम्हें पता है
यंगार
what,
moment हो गया.
देखो अनिकेत, what I feel like is ना, आमिर सिद्दीकी ना actually had some points जिससे वो कहीं ना कहीं एक valid एक ground पर आ सकता था to counter YouTubers, but उसने he didn't spend 5 minutes in researching
भाई,
and
he
gathering
doesn't know
information
YouTube
and
ना.
making a good video. मेरा
अरे he
director
doesn't know
को
YouTube, वो
पारक
जो
like
बंदा बनाया था.
क्रैक
तो
क्रैक
cringe
क्रैक
into
ये तो cringe into 100 हो
अरे like they don't understand कि जो actual में YouTubers है ना, how big their brain is. fucking जो बंदा वो बनाया था the history of the world I guess, उस बंदे ने 11 months के लिए वो वीडियो बनाया है.
yeah.
है ना. So like they don't understand. I am a YouTube kid all the way. मैं डिप्रेशन में नहीं हूँ because आज मैं डिप्रेशन में नहीं हूँ
Yes, yes,
because
same,
मेरे
same,
पास
same,
YouTube
same.
था. But I don't think that makes me say कि भाई TikTok is fucking cringe. Not gonna lie. TikTok is not cringe.
I think everyone.
If
is
you're
looking
saying
for
कि something is
something
good, why does the
Why?
the other thing have to be bad? Like अगर तुमको
Yeah.
कोई चीज हाँ बस वही खत्म हो जाती है.
like I said, it's all about feeling superior to one another. It's like, oh, हाँ, मैंने ये देख लिया तो मैं superior बन गया. It's like this is a very common thing in a lot of people. It's like we have like it is like sort of like a tradition to look down on someone just because you don't like that particular content and date you. It is a very common thing. I've
एक
noticed.
second.
इंडिया में
So, like,
साइड लेना
एक
बहुत पसंद है लोगों
second.
को.
I like
इंडिया में
how I
side-
just said कि let's.
Exactly. It's like,
Yeah, you watch Bollywood.
अरे,
What the
तू
fuck?
कुमार
I watch
सानू
Bollywood,
सुनता है,
man.
what the
Much
fuck?
better than you.
एक सेकंड एक सेकंड गाइस.
Bollywood?
क्या क्योंकि ना इधर भी लाइक पिक टिकटॉक और लाइक इफ आई से समथिंग बैड अबाउट like if I'm talking to one of my friends and if I say something bad about Carrie Minati or something bad that a particular YouTuber said about TikTok, they're gonna be like अच्छा तो TikTok को support करता है. नहीं, मैं TikTok को भी नहीं support करता all the way, but I have like my ground on it. Like अगर मेरे को ऐसा नहीं है कि या तो मैं YouTube पे हूँ या तो मैं TikTok हूँ, ऐसा नहीं है. If I like YouTube, TikTok can be good as well. If I support TikTok, YouTube can be good as well. It's just
कोई नहीं
एकदम
कोई
अब
नहीं.
मेरे को क्लाउड मिलेगा अभी.
एक
Diplomatic
सेकंड
time,
मैं
guys,
इसको जरा वो
diplomatic
कर
time.
लूँ,
Cloud
टाइम
time,
लैप्स कर
time.
लाइक टाइम स्टैम्प कर लूँ, इसको हटाना है. ठीक है. फक यू. मेरे को क्लाउड मिला नहीं, तेरे को कैसे मिल जाएगा? व्हाट द फक.
ये हटा रहे हैं.
अरे आई लाइक हाउ आई जस्ट सेड लेट्स कम बैक टू द टॉपिक और हम उसी टाइम डाइग्रेस कर गए 1 सेकंड में. ठीक है लेट्स
एक second ही
कंक्लूड
लगा
भाई.
भाई
It's
सही है.
the
it's
attention
been
span of
52
a fucking
minutes
goldfish.
since we have been recording, man.
We have the
Okay.
attention span of a PUBG mobile player. Hello.
Ah.
what?
let me
Aniket
just
timestamp, Aniket
सिड को
timestamp.
मैं 1 सेकंड किक करके
Somebody
वापस
clip
आया.
that.
अरे नॉट लाइव भाई, कोई नहीं भाई. सिड हम दोनों साथ में कि मैं
Guys, please disclaimer. It's all a joke. मेहनत लगती
अरे
है हर
अच्छा
बात
सिड
में.
सिड ऐसा झूठ सच्ची बताना. Did you ever try playing PUBG? Like सच्ची.
देख, जब
मैं
popular
खेला हूँ
हुआ था,
भाई.
I started playing, but then I got bored of it and then I dropped.
Oh my god.
मैं पॉपुलर से पहले भी खेला
अरे
हूँ.
actually, you know
Popular-
what? I'm not even gonna lie. I'm gonna delete all those fucking live streams on my channel. I actually live stream PUBG Mobile in an emulator on my channel again.
अरे कोई
Okay, भाई,
that time
तुम तो-
that time it was on its popular phase, so some people don't like if you switch your content, that's all right. I don't have a problem with that.
अरे बट यू वरंट, तूने वापस वैलोरेंट खेलना शुरू कर दिया ना.
अरे
It's
हाँ,
like भाई
like
fuck
one of
fuck
my
it ना.
friends who used to play with me also said कि भाई तू भी तो फिर मतलब क्या मतलब वही बात कर रहा है कि मतलब तू एमुलेटर पे PUBG खेल रहा है. मैंने कहा मैं
I
कुछ
think
क्लेम नहीं कर रहा हूँ ये खेलते वक्त ना, जैसा डायनेमो करता है.
also Carrie Minati भी I think deserves props in this matter क्योंकि भाई he also played many different
Yeah.
games during that PUBG thing. ठीक है, he doesn't get enough
He
credit for
doesn't know
that.
how to
भाई
play
उसने
those
Apex
games,
भी
but he
खेली.
did play, bro.
हाँ but he did play कि भाई वो Getting Over It भी
Modern
खेला
Warfare
बंदे
खेला,
ने.
God of War खेला, Star Wars
Modern Warfare
खेला.
उसने सब खेला.
Yeah.
ठीक है.
देख कंटेंट
So
क्रिएटर
that's-
कितना एक्सपेरिमेंट करेगा अच्छी बात है. He should. It is variety, but audience
Okay.
PUBG भैया PUBG खेलो PUBG.
सब
Direct-
खेला लेकिन फिर फैन बेस के फीलिंग्स के साथ भी खेला, PUBG नहीं खेला.
अरे डाइग्रेस कर गए फिर हम लोग. आई एम सेइंग फकिंग कंक्लूड ना भाई.
Okay,
1 घंटे
let's
का हो
conclude.
जाएगा.
What we were saying is internet toxicity is real, basically.
Yeah, it is. And
Basically,
it is also pretty real when it comes to the gaming community. As much as a lot of people wouldn't want to address it, it is very relevant in the gaming community. And I think it will be addressed, should be addressed, but not to the point it goes too much. Yeah. because it's
and
still,
taking a rest, and also I was completely.
yeah. No, it's basically that. Like, I think we should also chill about most things, but address the things that's actually wrong about, the gaming or any community in general, without being toxic about it.
The more you shy away from the problem, the worse it will get in the future.
And
Yep.
anybody who's listening to this, if you're really on social media like very frequently, and you're disturbed about some stuff, I really want to suggest you to take some time off of social media. I've done it
Definitely.
myself, and it actually works.
Yeah,
Take
it
some
does.
I do the same.
It
take
does,
some
like,
time off of social
I do the
media
same,
for
man.
some days. Just don't go there. Don't go to that space. It's gonna help you out a lot. And when you go back to that space again, your mind is gonna be a bit fresher than it was
Mhm.
earlier.
Hmm.
I mean, I
Yeah.
personally took a fucking 1-year detox just because of this. Like, 1 saal, no computer, no internet. I survived. You can too, trust me.
I went from कि भाई मैं बीच में बहुत पॉलिटिकल कंटेंट देखना शुरू कर दिया था बिकॉज ऑफ लाइक वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स, ठीक है, मैंने बताया था ना तुम्हारे को,
Yes.
ठीक है, एंड देन आई जस्ट डिडंट डू एनीथिंग फॉर लाइक अ मंथ. उसके बाद जस्ट स्ट्रेट अप जोक्स जो दिख जाए, चाहे वो मुस्लिम हो, हिंदू हो, बीजेपी, कांग्रेस, जस्ट फक यू भाई, ठीक है. दैट ऑल्सो हेल्प्स कि अगर टॉक्सिक हो तो सबके साथ टॉक्सिक
Yes.
कर, ठीक है.
Can't be racist
Like
if I
me.
hate all the races.
भाई वही, लाइक आई हेट एवरीवन इक्वली,
Racist.
ठीक है.
I think that's
By
that's
F1
all.
NASCAR.
भाई मंडे
Yeah,
यार भाई.
but अभी I think काफी हो गया. I think that's all for today.
नहीं ए, ये देखो औरत बोल के ना बस सबको चुप कराना जानती है ये,
ठीक
ठीक
है.
है. हैप्पी एंड सिड हैव स्टिल नॉट स्पोकन भाई. हैप्पी नीड्स टू स्पीक अप मैन.
Happy, we need content, bro.
टॉक्सिसिटी, ठीक है, इंटरनेट पे टॉक्सिसिटी. अभी एक बंदा चल रहा है, अभी रिसेंट में एक बंदा फेमस हो रहा है, तुमने देख रहा होगा कि वो वुमेन्स के खिलाफ ज्यादा लिख रहा है, मतलब ज्यादा कि घर पे रहे, किचन पे रहे, देखा होगा तुमने स्टोरीज.
कौन?
मैन एक सेकंड, मेरी स्टोरीज मत बता भाई लोगों को.
इट्स लाइक वो बंदा काफी फेमस हो रहा है, लड़की, क्योंकि लड़कियां कह रही है कि बंदा बहुत ऑफेंसिव है, लेकिन उस बंदे का मोटिव
लड़के
यही
तो
है
चूतिया ही
यही है
होते हैं.
कि लड़कियां उसका पोस्ट अपनी स्टोरीज पे शेयर करें, जब उस पे
हाँ.
क्लाउड आए, वो फेमस होए, इन दी एंड वो अपॉलॉजी वीडियो डालेगा एक, और सब कुछ खत्म कर देगा. उसके
I
बाद
think-
सारा क्लाउड,
फिर-
और वो
I think-
ऐसे हेट रेट भी फैला रहा है और क्लाउड भी ले रहा है. तो दिस इज
वो
द
फिर बाद में ये हो जाएगा ना, फेमिनिस्ट ही हो जाएंगे ना कि देखो हमने एक आदमी बदल दिया आज,
And-
देख रहे हो, लुक आई रेस्ड दैट बॉय.
रियल टॉक्सिक.
Yeah, I think this is also something is like इस तरह के लोग ना, they feed off of your attention. It doesn't matter negative or like positive, like they will feed off of your attention. I think the best way to deal with this is to ignore it sometimes. Like
Yeah.
sometimes you have to. Sometimes you have to kind of. And like when you ignore them at this point, you like basically take away the power. अब जब उनको पता है कि it's not affecting you, they're not gonna go ahead and try even more because that's just exhausting. You need to have a lot of free time to do that.
मलिका ने करा ना, शी डिड दैट सेम थिंग. शी जस्ट फक्ड ऑफ द इंटरनेट फॉर 3 years, ठीक है, सब भूल गए. what like उसको भी तो कितना टॉक्सिसिटी मिलता था. आई थिंक दैट्स अ वेरी गुड एग्जांपल.
Malika.
मलिका
Yeah.
है ना,
Yeah.
पीपल वर बीइंग टॉक्सिक, शी जस्ट फक्ड ऑफ द इंटरनेट भाई. वही शी, उसकी मम्मी ने वाईफाई काट दिया उसका जब वो बुली हो रही थी,
Nice.
साइबर बुली हो रही थी,
That actually helped her in a lot of ways.
ठीक है.
Like,
हाँ
Always helps to detox, really.
Arre.
It's a good thing. I think everyone should do it. Like, not for a year like me, but like at least a week or so. It's really good for your mental.
Guys, so what,
So-
our podcast is gonna go on a 1-year hiatus. See you next year.
अभी साल भर के
एक
बाद
second
मिलते हैं
का-
बीडू लोग.
Dust
बीडू.
देखो तो मिलना नहीं है.
आई गेस.
I'm gonna
अरे
detox.
तुम्हारे को क्लाउड चाहिए था ना, क्लाउड एक सेकंड, तुम्हारे को भी एक फॉलो बढ़वाता हूँ मेरे को,
ये
ठीक है,
Oh, shit,
ठीक है.
fuck yeah.
दैट्स वन मोर फॉलोअर देन घोस्ट कुड एवर गेट यू, ठीक है ना. शट द फक अप क्रैक, ठीक है. ओके सो गाइस, आई थिंक हो गया है, काफी टाइम हो गया, 59 minutes
it's
it
an
has
hour
been
of
since
us
we've been
talking, just
rambling.
talking.
So I think to conclude, we can say carry सबका बाप है and justice दिलाने का
हाँ.
चालू.
Carry हम
अरे
सबका
भाई.
बाप है.
Okay, so I think I'll put everybody's socials in the description. अगर मेरे को याद रहा और मेरे को मेहनत करने का दिल करा,
मेरा
ठीक
करने
है.
का वरना सक्सेस
Also-
बुलाऊंगी, समझा ना?
कोई ग्रूवी पे परिचय
अरे
प्ले करो
कोई
please
नहीं.
अभी के अभी.
अरे fuck that.
Just
ठीक
kidding,
है.
just kidding.
हाँ so guys हाँ वैसे ये तो अच्छा आइडिया लाइक क्रैक इज़ अ वेरी गुड फकिंग बीट बॉक्सर घोस्ट मदर लड़की है तो डाइवर्सिटी के लिए बुला लिया हैप्पी सो
I also have some talents. What the hell?
Diverse gang, diverse gang.
डाइवर्स गैंग आई हैव अ ब्लैक फ्रेंड एंड आई हैव अ फीमेल फ्रेंड ठीक है लिबरल्स फक यू
Are you sure she's a friend?
अरे
though?
यार
Oh shit.
Ben Shapiro light.
Okay then.
पर्सनल अटैक
Closer.
अरे ओके नो बट घोस्ट इज एक्चुअली फकिंग टैलेंटेड वो डिजिटल आर्ट बनाती है
She sings.
ठीक है मैंने कभी देखा नहीं बट आई एम अज्यूमिंग शी इज
Okay, what the
टैलेंटेड
hell, dude? I also
Uh,
sing. Thank you.
अरे शी सिंग्स हाँ यार शी सिंग्स वेल एंड हैप्पी सोल इज अ फकिंग
Delhi
Very
Metro.
good.
Delhi Metro, by the way.
Delhi
Uh,
Metro.
Delhi Metro on Spotify and YouTube, please. Thank you.
YouTube
I'll use that song as a
iTunes पे भी available.
iTunes
अरे
SoundCloud
fuck
everywhere.
that I'll put that as the outro of my
Oh,
video
Oh,
not
shit,
gonna lie
epic.
ठीक है so the outro of this video is going to be my guy Happy Soul's own very Delhi Metro mix he's a very talented beat producer and Sid is just Sid मैं तो वैसे
And
कुछ
he's
नहीं
the
करता
universal
ठीक है
Lord.
yeah he's the designated cuck
Sid
of the
is the-
retard group ठीक है ना
Sid is the best advisor, bro.
Sid is Bindas best
अरे
dude.
हाँ भाई
Hey,
लाइक
if-
सिड तुम्हारे को म्यूचुअल फंड भी बता सकता है कौन से लेने एंड ही कैन आल्सो
and he
एडवाइस यू
can-
कि
and he
भाई
can
कौन
also
लड़की को
come
क्या
uninvited
बोलूं
to your orgy, sex, whatever you're doing.
हाँ ही विल जस्ट
Yeah, he'll
वॉच
just watch. He'll just
He'll just
observe.
walk in like किसी को mutual funds चाहिए.
हाँ दे आर सब्जेक्टेड टू मार्केट रिस्क दो नॉट गोना लाई ओके सो लेट्स फकिंग एंड दिस अच्छा ठीक है एंड मुझे सब्सक्राइब तो मत ही करना क्योंकि अगर ज़्यादा लोग हो गए तो मैं कैंसिल तो क्या मेरे को सीधा डेथ थ्रेट्स आएंगे लाइक दिस वीडियो इफ़ यू लाइक इट डिसलाइक कर दो इफ़ यू डिसलाइक इट दोनों एंगेजमेंट है मेरे लिए कमेंट भी कर देना एंड आई गेस दैट्स इट फॉर दिस वन गाइस
Bye bye guys.
एंड डेली मेट्रो मिक्स इन
Yeah.
3
Bye.
2 1
Attention please. First car in the moving direction is reserved for ladies. Male passengers are requested not to board the coach reserved